Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, the biggest question that a lot of parents today have is how do we make kids to love reading? So you can hear my little toddler shouting mommy mommy, and let me tell you how I introduce reading to her. So this is the book, and there you go. The first page is this. So, hello, mommy dinosaur. Hello, mommy dinosaur. Hi. Quack, 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 quack. The baby's coming out. So a little bit of dramatic exclamations like that can help it interesting for the baby. Whoa, baby touch! There are Bumpy's tails. You can place your baby's finger in this Bumpy's tails. Okay. Bumpy's tails. You still love this book, right, Kylie?
Yeah, Mom.
Okay, and there you go. Hello, hungry dinosaur. Oh, my belly's rumbling. My belly's rumbling. I'm hungry. Oh, whoa. Baby touch. Munch, munch, munch. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, I'm eating. Baby, shall we touch these bumps on the body? Boop, 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 boop. So making your baby touch these helps them to feel different textures. For example, in this page, this is a shiny little sticky, which feels different. Okay, and you can see what my daughter is trying to do now. She's trying to wash the dinosaur because now she understands that if you wash, you can get rid of these spots. But initially, when you introduce the book at the age of 1 year and 4 months, they don't understand so much. But of course, making them to go through the fingers, through these different textures, will help the sensory development. And too much of sensory development can actually lead to disasters like this. As you can see, she has broken the book or torn it.
Books? Books are magic! Books can take you